Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a them reading. Yes, I know you guys are waiting for you and yours, but being the end of June, I thought I'll wait for next week to do the in-depth reading. Today we'll just check on to see how your person is doing and how they are feeling about this connection. So if interested, stay tuned in and let's begin and see how your person is, what your person is up to. And these are general collective readings. Scorpio will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, what do you have for Scorpio today? Please bless this reading and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin. Let's begin your read, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Oh, Scorpio. Scorpio's person, spirit. Okay. Scorpio, your person seems to be on a fast forward mode here on that chariot. They feel it's this is karmic justice, this is balance. Scorpio, your person, they do see you as I don't know what, Scorpio, this is so confusing. Something came out in the recent past, some secrets were revealed, and somebody here is trying to escape this connection. Maybe, let's see. Spirit, what's his judgment card for Scorpio's person? What's his judgment card? Justice, sorry. Justice. And the 10 of Pentacles. This could have been a marriage or a very committed kind of a connection, which may not be now. Maybe there's been a separation of some sort, some bad memories that have been created in this connection now. This person is kind of looking away from this connection now, maybe because there's been fights or they don't feel this connection much. There's a lot of stress, there's a lot of worry. Somebody does want to take action, but something has ended here, Scorpio. I don't know what's ended, but this person doesn't want us to do a go around. Maybe they want to escape this connection. Oh, King of Wands again, and the Queen of Pentacles. They want to escape this connection. They feel, what is this reading? I see a King of Wands and a Queen of Pentacles, balance and harmony, and yet somebody wanting to escape this connection after certain truths have come out. What were these truths, Spirit? Moon card. Somebody held back after certain things came out in the open. Maybe there was a period of introspection where they kind of thought about this connection, and now this person is kind of working on themselves. They're kind of trying to do something for themselves. They don't want that stress of having a go around of this connection. They haven't really moved on. I don't see that they've really moved on, Scorpio, but they are at crossroads, trying to do something for themselves. I don't think they're very interested in going back to this connection of yours. They feel that they've been emotionally manipulated, or they want to stay away from that. Yes, they feel they've been, in the past, maybe they've been emotionally manipulated and they have had their heart broken once, and they're trying to escape doing that again. Yes, this person is heavily guarding themselves, Scorpio, for some reason. They feel everything is out in the open, all secrets are out now. And yes, they are kind of, they don't want to go back to a place where they will be imbalanced again. They're trying very hard to bring some peace and harmony and balance into their life, and they feel returning back to something, they are heading straight into more emotional manipulation and heartbreak. So this person is trying to keep themselves very, very guarded. They don't want to get stuck again, from what I feel. I'm sorry, Scorpio, but of course you can flip the energy. Maybe you are the ones feeling this way, I don't know. This connection hasn't, it's still there. It's still there. It's not ended completely. But whoever this person of you, Scorpio, your person, they are trying at least to head towards something stable, new, which can give them happiness. All they want is their wish fulfillment, and they are kind of in that contemplation that if they return back, they're going back to something which is going to pull them back into heartbreak again, most probably, because maybe there's been some cheating, lying, or something which has happened in the past. How do you see them, Scorpio? Page of Cups. Yeah, like you see them not coming forward with any love or any apology or any forward pleasantries or anything like that. In fact, you may be seeing them kind of turning their back on you at the moment. You suspect that they are seeing other people maybe, or they are excited about new connections or something like that. This is how you feel. I mean, these are perceptions, right? This is how you feel. Doesn't have to be that they are doing that, and the way they feel about this connection doesn't have to be true either. This is how you both are feeling at the moment. So from where I see you, you feel that this person is not interested in coming back to me. They are checking out, they are looking out to see what else is out there, and you also see them as very successful and looking like the Empress, and having forward movement and growth and abundance in their life. And you also probably feel that this person has a lot of suitors around them now, and they are not even paying you any attention. Yes, you feel they've already jumped off that cliff and headed for a new beginning for themselves. But from what I see here, Scorpio, this person, yes, is absolutely, you are correct. They do want all this. I don't think this person has actually moved on yet. They are in no man's land right now. They have moved away maybe from you and are stepping into their new life, but I see them at crossroads. They're still going back and forth in their mind, thinking that if I go back, I will have to face this again. Maybe there's something that went wrong in your connection. Maybe you cheated or they cheated or something happened here. Some bad memories are created here. And they are now working on themselves. From what I see, they're trying to become the best version of themselves, maybe trying to become safe and secure within their own life. Maybe they have their work cut out, or their passion, or whatever, they trying to make a good life for themselves. I don't think this person is with anybody else, Scorpio, because they seem to be in the Nine of Cups energy, which is doing things to make themselves happy at the moment. Okay, your biggest fear is that you may have lost them already. Two of Cups in reverse. Why is Scorpio's biggest fear the Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Because you still kind of have a lot of passion for this person, Scorpio. You want forward movement with them. You want that, you can communicate with them once again. You want to kind of level up and show them that now you want to give them everything that they want, and you want to level up basically, and you want them to see you in a brand new light as the person who can take charge or whatever. But from what I feel, your person is already headed out that way. They I don't think are interested in their Two of Cups anymore. They have already started that, they've already lit that match, let me put it this way. When you have like a sparkler and you put that first match, it goes a little flicker, then it totally blows up, and then it kind of moves. I think that's what's happening here. This person is starting something brand new, maybe talking to other people. I won't disregard that, because your person is looking for something brand new in their life, and they could be now pursuing their passions, maybe talking to other people, trying to find somebody who can match their level. So, judgment spirit for Scorpio's person. Judgment, Scorpio's person. Yes, they want a brand new life. Scorpio, I'm sorry to say, I don't know whether with you or with somebody else, they definitely are doing a great job. I think they're getting a lot of victory in whatever they're doing as well. Or if they aren't, that this is what they're aiming for. They want a brand new life, and they don't want to feel this feeling of feeling abandoned and left out or homeless or whatever they felt in the past. I don't know what's happened. You'll be able to tell me, Scorpio. And of course, let me again say that this could be you feeling this way about your person. The energies do get flipped once in a while, right? So yes, somebody, your person is, I think, already on that chariot heading off to a brand new space. It's not that they don't feel bad. They do have a lot of regret and sorrow about how things didn't work out maybe between the two of you. They look back and regret. But where reconciliation is concerned, I think right now this person doesn't seem looking back. In fact, they're looking forward. Okay? So let's see if this person could say something to you right now, what that would be. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see what my angels have to say. Yeah, there's a bit of a pause going on, Scorpio, in your love life, with this person at least. So I don't know if you can chase after them and bring them back, or I don't know, because right now the situation is such that this person is not very happy with the way things turned out, and they may be looking out. Okay, so there is a bit of a pause going on in this connection. So now let's see if your person wants to say something to you, what that would be. Scorpio's person, what do you want to say to Scorpio? What would you like to say to Scorpio if you could? Scorpio's person. Okay, and I'm going to take a couple more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio's person. Okay, good to go, Scorpio. Let's begin. First card I have here says, I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. So maybe this person could maybe be wishing for the same connection to become better. I don't know. But they do feel that this is not it. There is more to come. It should be better than what we've been going through. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night, and you're my ultimate fantasy. So yes, this was a close connection, but right now there could be separation between the two of you. You're the most beautiful person in the world, at least in my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. So I don't know who's saying this to who now, Scorpio, because from what I see, this person is on the verge of leaving. I dream that I'll wake up to you, but when I wake up, you are not here. So this could be the person who's getting left behind saying these things. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. I really need your warmth and affection. Please make time for me. So yes, Scorpio, somebody is leaving. The other person is now recognizing their worth, but nothing is written in stone yet. It's just a pause. Things can turn around. Make the effort. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.